Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to make money online? If you have, you're definitely not alone. In fact, more people than ever are searching for ways to earn an income from home, but they quickly discover that the online world can feel like a maze. You start full of motivation and hope, but after hours of research, endless tutorials, and countless gurus promising overnight success, you may end up feeling more confused than when you began. Maybe you've spent entire evenings watching videos, taking notes, and trying to understand complex strategies. Maybe you've signed up for multiple courses or downloaded dozens of free guides, and yet, despite all the information, your progress feels slow, or maybe even non-existent. That feeling of spinning your wheels, of putting in effort without seeing results, can be incredibly discouraging. Most traditional advice points people toward time-consuming or high-risk methods. For example, building a blog from scratch or starting a YouTube channel might sound appealing, but growing an audience can take months or even years. On the other hand, running paid ads or starting an e-commerce store requires money up front, and there's no guarantee you'll get your investment back. And when you're just starting out, these barriers can feel overwhelming. This leads many beginners into a frustrating cycle. You try one method, get stuck, switch to another method, get discouraged, and eventually wonder if earning money online is even possible for you. The reality is, many conventional approaches fail because the online landscape is constantly changing. Strategies that worked years ago can be outdated today. And without guidance, most people end up wasting time, money, and energy on systems that simply aren't built for beginners anymore. But what if there was another way? Imagine a system designed to take the confusion out of online income. Imagine something that doesn't require months of technical learning, doesn't require large upfront investments, and doesn't expect you to figure everything out by yourself. A system built to automate the most difficult parts of the process, the parts that usually cause people to give up. Think about how much easier it would be if you had a clear roadmap to follow. No more trying random methods and hoping something sticks. No more piecing together complicated strategies from dozens of different sources. Instead, you'd have one simple, structured path designed to guide you from start to finish. A system that handles many of the tedious tasks behind the scenes, allowing you to focus your time and energy on progress instead of confusion. This type of streamlined approach can help you fast-track your results. By removing the guesswork, you begin to see what's possible when you have the right tools in your hands. With the right system backing you, you can build momentum quickly, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You don't need to be a tech wizard, and you don't need years of experience. The system does the heavy lifting, automating, organizing, and simplifying what used to be complicated. And this brings us to an important point. Technology today gives us opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. Tools that were once expensive or hard to use are now accessible to everyone. Automation has changed the game. People who struggled for years with traditional online methods are now seeing success by using smart technology that does much of the work for them. That's where modern solutions shine. Instead of forcing you to figure everything out alone, the right system gives you structure, clarity, and direction. And when you combine simplicity with automation, suddenly, making money online doesn't feel overwhelming anymore. It feels achievable. That's exactly why I want to introduce you to Click Wealth System. It's a modern solution created for people who are tired of outdated, complicated strategies. It's built for beginners, yet powerful enough to streamline the income-building process in a way that truly works in today's digital world. Thousands of people who once felt lost or discouraged have already used this system to get their first results online. They didn't need years of experience. They didn't need a big budget. And they didn't need to spend endless hours trying to figure everything out. They simply followed a proven system designed to guide them step by step. If you're ready to break free from frustration, if you want a cleaner, easier, and more efficient way to start earning online, then this may be exactly what you've been searching for. Take a moment to explore Click Wealth System for yourself. You'll find the link right below this video. It could be the turning point that finally helps you build confidence, gain momentum, and start seeing real results in your online journey.